welcome back again to another vlog. So for today, ayan, kung napapansin nyo ngayon na lang ulit ako nag-vlog. Huli akong nag-vlog nung February 14 and ano na ngayon, March 9 na 2019. And so ngayon, meron nga akong event na pupuntahan sa may SM San Pablo kay Ate Mae Layug kasi meron siyang magiging workshop doon. And since medyo malapit-lapit lang naman siya dito sa lugar namin, grinab ko na yung chance na makapunta doon. Kaya medyo ayan, maayos-ayos po ang ating itsura for today. And it's already 1 o'clock na or magwa 1 o'clock na ng hapon and lalarga na kami. Kasama ko yung kapatid ko kasi syempre pagka may mga gantong events gusto ko may kasama ko kasi para may naghahawak din ng camera or ng cellphone ko para just in case, diba? So ayun, medyo malayo-layo din yung biyahe. Ang ingay ng kapatid ko. Medyo malayo-layo yung medyo malayo-layo pa yung biyahe kaya alis na din kami now na.
Makeup look. So, ayan. Kita niyo, wala talaga ang ayos. I woke up like this. Alright. So, walang primer. We're in na parang may mga lubog-lubog pa tayo yung mga pores natin, diba? So, what I usually do is I focus sa area na to because nandyan yung mga pores, nandyan yung mga tawag dito, yung maraming mga spaces niyan, and also dito sa bandang side ng nose. Yeah. So you put primer in that area. And then, this is an advantage if you have bangs. So forehead area, hindi na ako masyado naglalagay kasi it's covered naman. So I usually focus the primer on my cheek area dyan.
Taste minsan lang.
Especially dito. So according to science, we have so much pores dito sa area na to ng face. So that's one area na kailangan mo i-fill out. Okay, after that, let's talk about face. Sino dito ang favorite part ng makeup routine nyo ay makeup? Other mga light coverage na mga products, I don't recommend na gumamit ka ng sponge or brush. Because what will happen is, sisipsipin lang nung brush and sisipsipin lang din nung sponge yung product. So, pag gano'n, mas nire-recommend ko na use your finger. But make sure na malinis muna syempre yung kamay mo bago mo gamitin yun, no? Kasi, of course, hand hygiene is the universal, rule natin. Dapat every time you do your makeup or your skincare, make sure na malinis yung kamay nyo. Kasi, just for example I work in a hospital before because I work as a cardiac nurse. So kami, every time papasok sa kwarto, lalabas, bago namin hawakan yung pasyente, lahat kailangan naka-hand hygiene kami, kailangan naka-hand wash kami ng kamay. So can you imagine talagang namumulan na nagbabalat na yung kamay namin? Because it is a precaution to prevent transfer of bacteria, to prevent infection. So kung isipin mo marumi yung kamay mo and then you apply your makeup or you apply your sunscreen, you apply your BB cream, nata-transfer mo sa mukha mo, and that's one cause bakit tayo nagkakatigyawan, bakit nagkakaroon ng irritation sa skin. So, what I usually do is just, I pop this dito lang sa kamay ko, basta make sure lang naman yun siya, no? I want to break the stigma about morena skin na, kasi usually na nare-receive ko before na klase ng stigma is, ano ba yan, morena ka, lakas ng loob mo gumamit ng colorful na product. Okay, makeup is universal, makeup is ageless, makeup is genderless. If you're a guy, you wanna use powder, go for it. We won't judge you. So, I want to break the stigma when it comes to makeup. Especially for morena skin na lagi sinasabi na kapag morena skin ka, hindi bagay sa'yo yung red. Kapag morena skin ka, hindi bagay sa'yo yung red. No, makeup is universal. Nasa nagdadala din talaga. So, ito guys yung mga colors na available with the palette. And this is my favorite color, the orange one. If you're planning to create a summer look, stick with peach, stick with pink, and stick with mga ganito, may mga shimmer na mga shades. And actually blue is nice. I think BYS released a new palette, which is yung banana. The banana, it's called a banana rum. Ayan, they have blue, meron sila mga blue eyeshadow palette. And since this is summer, of course, you can use blue eyeshadow. Walang kumontra, walang pwedeng kumontra sa'yo, girl. So ako, I know, not every palette. Ito yung Copacabana. And if you're gonna look at it, it's a lip palette. It contains 6 shades and sobrang cute ng shade range. Kasi if you are into bold lip colors, they could cater you. If you like nude colors, they could cater you as well. Or if you want both color, you can mix and match. Pwede siya. Pagdating sa summer, we are for that glossy lipstick. And you can go for matte, pero kasi kapag summer, we really want that gloss and shimmer. So, I prefer, pag mga ganitong season, to use mga lip gloss. Ayaw niyang matanggal. By the way, I also prepared a lip gloss here. I have a lip gloss. Thank you! Okay, so for summer, I like to do something nude and something gold. So I'm gonna mix and match yung mga colors. I will be using itong medyo orange, and then I will be mixing that dito sa color na to. Yung third na parang may pagka-old rose yung color niya, parang brick na old rose. So I'm gonna mix them both. Grabe to guys, sobrang super lambot siya. Kaya ang ganda niyang isang mix and match actually. Pwede mo itong mix and match sa our molds, make sure it's clean. Or you can mix and match it, kumbaga apply mo to and then patungan mo na lang ng isa pang color. Total it comes in double-ended brush so you can use 2 colors. So for the lips, I'm just gonna apply it dito. Kung nag-headband ako, tingnan niyo yung bangs ko. Dapat pala nag-hair clip ako, oh my gosh. Anyway. Ayun na. So that is our summer makeup look. So pwede ka na pumaura yung mga nakaganyan. Diba? Sa Instagram yung laging post yung mga hindi, ano ko yun guys eh, ang trend ng pictures sa Instagram, it's no longer the, yung ganyan. Ang mga post lagi sa Instagram lagi yung mga ganyan.
Oh, pack
Yung
na
mga
girl.
hot, summer, ganyan mga peg na ng mga Instagram photos natin ngayon. So, oh my gosh, I love my look. Sobrang sun-kissed. So, ayan guys, yung ating summer makeup look. So, ayun, I just like to share makeup no, because I am breaking the stigma with my friends. Makeup is universal. Makeup is ageless. Makeup is for everybody. Guys or girls, pwede kayo mag-makeup. I don't see any problem with that. So, if ever you have IG pages, you might want to follow BYS Philippines for more updates. And by the way, meron pala kami surprise for everyone. Actually pala, for... may question. I'm sorry. Oh, sige. Wait lang. May question daw muna. Ayan. I think first honor. Cum laude.
Hindi po kasi po always akong nanonood sa IG story nyo. Sobrang tuwak-tuwa ako dun sa mga habibis nyo na pusa. Sobrang nakakawala sila ng stress. Eh ako din po kasi cat lover din po ako. Gusto ko din po itanong sa inyo, paano nyo nakahandle yung ganong karami? Ang dami nila sobra.
Actually, one of the main reasons why I support cruelty-free products is because I have pets at home. I have 10 cats actually. 6 of them are rescued cats. So, mga napulot sila ni Papa, ni-rescue ni Papa, and I was the one who's taking care of them. That really pushed me to switch to mga cruelty-free products. And so you know guys, BYS is a cruelty-free brand. They do not test in animals. And BYS
see you ulit later mga sisi pag uwi namin. Uy, saan ka pupunta? So, I'll see you later na lang ulit mga sisi pag nasa bahay na kami. Bye! Back mga sisi, ayan yung kilay ko, no hulas pa rin at all, pero ayan nga, nandito na ako sa bahay ngayon and I just want to share sa inyo yung naging experience ko dun sa workshop na nangyari kanina kay Ate Mae Layug. Alam nyo ba mga sis, si Ate Mae Layug, napansin ko sa kanya, mapa on or off cam, talagang ang kalug niya, prangka siya, talagang straight to the point lahat-lahat, and sobrang, alam nyo yun, minsan may mga nasisingit siyang jokes, yung katulad ng nakikita nyo sa mga, pag nagfi-film siya, sobrang totoo talaga siya, as in. Time check, it's already magsa 7 o'clock na ng gabi, and sobrang, grabe, nakakapagod din, but it's super all worth it. So by the way, since ako nga yung kauna-unahang dumating doon, hindi ako excited masyado. Natakot nga ako kasi mag-2 o'clock na nung nakarating kami doon sa SM Calamba, sa SM San Pablo, and sabi ko, hala, baka mamaya madami ng tao nakaano. Kasi naka-experience din ako nun kay Purple Aries na madami na ding taong dumating. But actually, ayun nga, ako yung kauna-unahan doon. And luckily, ayan po yung pag-giveaway nila, itong Lustrous na din, Lustre X BYS Bronze and Highlight Palette. So, na-excite akong gawan siya ng review. And yung binili ko para makuha ko yung VIP seat is itong BYS Cream Foundation. So, ito yung isa sa mga ni-recommend ni Ate Mae Layug. Tsaka yung isa pang foundation ni BYS na really perfect for this summer. So, na-excite na ako gumawa ng summer makeup look for this coming summer. So, ayun lang mga sisi. Dito ko na-i-end yung vlog for today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo ng bonggang-bongga and sana marami rin kayo natutunan sa video natin for today kay Ate Mae Layug. So, that's all. So, please don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel down below to be part of my #sister@fam, and yung katabi nun is yung notification bell button para always kang notified and updated kapag kaming every upload ako. Thank you, and I'll be seeing you again in my next vlog. Bye!